Hey besties! Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all my deepest, darkest secrets. And that is all my high maintenance secrets to be low maintenance. So obviously today when you clicked on this video, you clicked and you were like, oh girl, I thought you were going to teach us how to be hot. And I get it, okay? I have nothing on right now, but we're about to get cute. First things first, I have some things that I do at home, but I also have some monthly appointments that I always keep up with. So we're gonna go to them today. So that is tinting the brows, lash lift and tint, and also getting our nails done. Like, look how outgrown they are, but they are gorgeous. She did a great job, but they are outgrown, besties. So today we have a couple of appointments. We're gonna do nails first, which is at 10 a.m. So let's go. It is now like 9:15. I think I'm gonna put a little perfume on. I love fragrance, and I'll talk a little bit more about fragrance later when we like wind down for the night and show you all the things I do before I go to bed. This is actually a hair and body mist by the brand Way in the scent St. Bert's. She's literally so good. So I'm gonna quickly put that on. I love coordinating my scents to the season, so that is giving very much tropical vacation, summertime, so that's what I'm smelling like today. I think we're all ready, and let's go to our first appointment, which is nails.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to hold the camera because I can't really talk much. I have to be super quick. So I did just get my nails done. They look gorgeous. I have a couple of things that are coming up and I thought that like they would match it the most. Look how gorge. We got the like Hawaiian flower. We got the green. I'm literally obsessed. But now we're gonna go get our lashes done. My appointment's like any minute now, so I really gotta go in. But this is what they look like before, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. I'm so happy with my nails though. They look gorgeous. Perfect for the summertime. Let's go get our lashes done. Look at these lashes. Like, girl, huh? They look so good. And now when I wake up tomorrow, I literally don't have to do anything. My mom still has to tint my brows. My mom's an esthetician, so she's gonna tint and wax them tonight. But the lashes look so good. I'm obsessed. I love it. It keeps me low maintenance. Tomorrow I don't have to put mascara on. I don't need to curl my lashes because they look amazing. And these are my natural lashes. I didn't put any falsies. These are completely my lashes and I love it. So tonight we're gonna do like an everything shower. We have a lot of stuff tonight that we have to do, which I'm super excited about because I love doing like an everything shower. It feels so good. So let's go home. It is still pretty early. It's only like 2:15 and I usually like to do my complete shower around like 6 tonight. So there will be a little bit of a pause in this video, but I cannot wait to show you guys all the products I use, everything that makes me feel good and ready for tomorrow.
Okay besties, so I know that you guys saw part 1 of this video, so that was all my appointments, and I usually do that like about once a month. But for my other things that keep me hot, if you will, is my everything shower. I love doing this. I do this once a week. I get my hair done usually because I do color it. Little tea being spilled. Last time I got it colored was at the end of May. So she actually said I probably don't have to come back till about mid-August. So she looks still pretty good, but she's greasy. I just want to show you guys what I look like before. And then I'm going to show you guys what we look like after. And I'll talk to you guys about all the products I use after I get out of the shower. So I'm going to quickly head in the shower and I'll be right back. And this is me after. She's glowing. Wow. So I just jumped out of the shower and I am all ready for bed. I do want to share with you guys some products that I used while I was in the shower and out of the shower to make me feel amazing. So let's talk about in the shower. We'll do face first. So in the shower, I had to take off all my makeup. So I used the Sawasu Gentle Cleansing Oil. This is a great cleansing oil. If you have not tried a cleansing oil and you're looking for one, this one's so good. It really just makes everything feels so much better. Takes away all of the gunk off of my face and makes sure that that makeup is off. So I always go with a cleanser, a oil cleanser, to get everything off first. What I use for my face wash, I use the Fenty Skin Cherry Dub Pore Purifying Gel Cleanser. I've been using this a lot lately. I've been loving it because I do love the mask. It really brightens the face. So this is a great cleanser if you guys are looking for one for brightening and for pores. she's your girl. So then I use a like scrub. I do this like once a week to really scrub my entire body. So I use this for my face. This is the Peace Out Pore Perfecting Stick. She's a queen. I've been using this for quite a while. I think when I'm done with it, I'm probably not gonna repurchase it. I did kind of just like whoosh it with my finger instead of like rubbing it directly on my face. I do really need a good scrub, and I just used this while I was in the shower. It's pretty easy to use. And then when I got out of the shower, what I use for my face, I go in with a milky toner. I've been really obsessed ever since the glazing milk, which is truly iconic. I actually ran out of that, so I've been using the other products that I bought that I thought maybe they would be pretty good. So this is the Pharmacy Honey Milk Hydrating Essence with chamomile and ceramides, and I've been really liking this. It feels so good on the skin, and it just makes your skin feel and look so hydrated, and that's what I like, especially since I go in with a scrub. I like to have a lot of hydrating products on my skin before I go to bed, so my skin can absorb all of the hydrating products and my skin won't get dry. So we love her. And then I kind of mix these two together. I put my retinol serum always with my cream just so I can like mix them all together. I don't know why I do that. I don't know if you're supposed to, but that's what I do. So this is the retinol that I use. This is the Retinol B3 serum, and it's by the brand La Roche-Posay. So I am kind of getting old and I need to get a nice serum, a nice retinol serum. And I was always told that you should start with this one because it's a little less like scary, I guess. Like I've heard people use the retinol cream and they like their skin purges or gets very dry, and I've never experienced it with this, and I really like it. And I feel like when I wake up in the morning, my skin is so hydrating and so healthy looking, and I look so youthful. So I really like that retinol. If you guys are starting out, I feel like it's a really good one. Again, I am no dermatologist, so don't come for me, but I really like that one. Next, I use this Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I actually got this with the sunscreen the other day at Sephora, and I was like, maybe I want to try out this cream. It smells so good. Like Tatcha always gives like luxury, you know, and I feel like that's why my skin looks so dewy as well. I just have a lot of hydrating products, a lot of brightening products that make my skin look good. So I've been loving this. Sometimes I feel like it can feel a little more greasy, the Dewy Cream, which makes me think that maybe my skin isn't that dry, like doesn't need that like super hydration. But I have been loving her since I bought it. Let's do hair next because I have a lot less hair products than body products. So this is what I used for my clarifying scalp shampoo. So this is the Barigio Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil. I actually haven't been using this for a while, but I am back into it. That's what she looks like. I use this to really get into my scalp and scrub my scalp. I feel like it's so important to get a good scalp scrub, especially like for your weekly everything showers, because I do take like regular showers throughout the week, and then I do one good everything shower, scrub everything off from the week. And this one is so good. I used to always just think, you know, my hair gets greasy, like I'm just a greasy girl, and then I realized that's not the case. I do have to scrub my scalp, get all of that raunchiness off. The thing that kind of sucks though is I did have a sunburn, so it didn't hurt like a lot because this isn't like a super scrub, but it has a little bit of like micro exfoliants in it. Charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. So it does have some things that really scrub your scalp, but I made sure not to get like too crazy, you know. So yeah, that's what I use as like my shampoo. And then I usually don't use conditioner and a hair mask because again, my hair is super thin. I am not a hair expert. This is what works for me. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lengths Savior Mask, and I use it. I usually focus on the tips of my hair and then I work my way up. It smells so good. And it just makes my hair feel so good and so clean and so like hydrating too, because usually my ends are like pretty dry, but I feel like she looks good. So thank you, L'Oreal. You are such a good hair mask, and this is affordable. We love affordable products, so I got you, girls. My lips look juicy too, and the reason they look juicy is because I use the Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask. This is what I've been using lately. I really like it. This is in the scent like cherry vanilla, but they have like a watermelon one. They have all kinds of scents, but like look at her. I look like I'm from Love Island. She's juicy, okay? Obviously, it really hydrates the lips too. We love it. Okay, body. So every time I do like an everything shower, I like to have a scent that I think I want to smell like. So like I have pistachio showers, I have vanilla showers, and tonight because it's summertime I thought let's have a coconut shower. So while I was in the shower I actually used, oh, I want to show you guys. Okay, so Shower Talk told me to use this, the Dove Sensitive Moisture Cream bar of soap to wash my body and wash my bits. I just used that as my body wash today because I actually didn't have like a coconut scented body wash, and I thought that would do. So I washed my armpits, washed my bits, washed my legs, arms, and I felt so good. And then I went in with a scrub. So this is the Tree Hut Cocoa Colada Chai Sugar Scrub. Scared it's gonna come out. Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells so good. I highly recommend the Tree Hut scrubs. They smell so good. So you should definitely go check this out. I love this one and the Tropical Glow one. They have honestly all of them smell so good, and a lot of them are for like summery scents, so highly recommend. I literally smell like a coconut dream vacation. And then when I got out of the shower, I of course hydrated and moisturized my body. So I used the Way body cream and the scent St. Bart's. She's coming down to an end, girl. I love her so much. She's so coconutty, so bougie, and I love it. And of course I paired it with the Hair and Body Mist, which is the Way Hair and Body Mist in St. Bart's. And she is just iconic. Okay, this duo, literally you smell like a coconut bougie dream, and I'm obsessed. So that was my everything shower scent, was coconutty, and I feel so good. I put on a nice pair of matching pajamas because that always makes me feel good. Also, all the hot girls are wearing matching sets this summer, and honestly all year round. I actually showered like pretty late today, but usually I shower a little bit early so that my hair has time to dry, and then I do the heatless curls. I do that a lot and it just saves me so much time in the morning, so highly recommend to do heatless curls. But other than that, I feel like this is what makes me feel and look hot. I understand that some of these things can be considered high maintenance, but girl, they keep you low maintenance. So I highly recommend to do all of these things. I've seen people do their lashes, their brows, their nails at home, a little DIY moment. So if you guys do need a little bit of a, you know, save your money a little bit, you should definitely check out some TikToks where they recommend how to do that. I go to certain girls and I love getting my nails done, my brows, my lashes done, so I'm a sucker, I gotta do them. And honestly, like, look at these lashes, girl. I literally did nothing to them. I have no mascara on and they're just like this constantly. So like being like a summer baddie, you need to get these on. And now like in the morning, I don't even have to do anything to my brows because they match my hair perfectly. It's just so easy. Like, girl, take my tips. Okay, besties, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys got some tips, some tricks from me on high maintenance things to do to be low maintenance, so you don't have to work so hard to look gorgeous. Honestly, you never really have to work hard at all because we are all naturally gorgeous, period. I do these things so that I wake up and I don't have to put makeup on. I don't have to do my brows, my eyelashes. I save time in the morning because I need my beauty sleep. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on Instagram to get more content from me. I love you. If you guys have some recommendations on how to make yourself feel hot or look hot, definitely comment down below because I need some tips and tricks still. So I love you and I'll see you guys in the next video.